Transform your body with daily planking. The 30-second secret. Embracing the power of daily 30-second planking can revolutionize your fitness journey. This simple yet effective exercise promises to enhance your core strength, delivering a solid foundation for overall health and vitality. Now let's talk about the top 10 benefits. Number 1. By incorporating consistent planking into your routine, you'll notice a remarkable boost in core stability. This improvement is pivotal, acting as the backbone for all your physical activities, ensuring you perform at your peak. Number 2. The benefits extend beyond just physical prowess. Your posture will start to transform. Daily plank exercises serve as a cornerstone for maintaining a straight, confident stance, radiating your inner strength outward. Number 3. Another incredible advantage is the reduction of back pain. Strengthening your core muscles through planking alleviates pressure on your spine, offering a reprieve from discomfort and enhancing your quality of life. Number 4. Moreover, engaging in this brief, intense workout spikes your metabolism. Planking activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously, ensuring your body continues to burn calories even when at rest, paving the way for a healthier you. Number 5. Embracing the challenge of daily planking transforms not just your body but your life. As you stabilize your core, you'll notice a remarkable improvement in your balance and coordination. This isn't just about standing firmer on your feet. It's about moving through life with a newfound grace and confidence. Number 6. Planking is more than a physical exercise, it's a mental conditioning drill. Each second you hold that plank, you're building not just muscle but mental toughness and discipline. This resilience seeps into every aspect of your life, empowering you to tackle challenges with a steadfast heart. Number 7. As your core strengthens, so does your ability to perform in other physical activities. Whether you're a runner, a cyclist, or a yoga enthusiast, a stronger core from consistent planking means better performance and less risk of injury. It's the foundation upon which athletic prowess is built. Number 8. The journey to a toned, defined abdomen is often fraught with complex routines and equipment. Yet the simplicity of daily planking can be your secret weapon. This accessible exercise carves out abs of steel, proving that sometimes the simplest methods are the most effective. Number 9. Wave goodbye to stubborn belly fat as you embrace the power of short-duration planks. By engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, you boost your metabolism, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. All it takes is 30 seconds a day to start seeing a difference. Number 10. The science behind muscle endurance improvement with daily planks is fascinating. By engaging your core consistently, your muscle fibers adapt, enhancing your stamina and resilience in physical activities. This transformative change is not just about building strength. It's about rewriting your body's capabilities, proving that small daily commitments can lead to significant improvements. Executing a plank correctly is crucial for reaping maximum benefits. Proper form ensures you're targeting the right muscle groups without risking injury. Think of your body as a powerhouse of potential, with every plank performed correctly pushing you closer to unlocking a new level of strength and endurance. However, common mistakes can hinder progress. It's easy to let form slip in pursuit of holding a plank longer. But remember, quality trumps quantity. Each plank is an opportunity to build a stronger foundation, so focus on maintaining perfect alignment and engaging your core to transform your fitness journey. Gradually increasing plank duration beyond 30 seconds might sound daunting, but it's a testament to your growth. Start small, then challenge yourself to hold a bit longer each time. This incremental progress is a profound reminder of your evolving strength, echoing the truth that today's limits are tomorrow's starting points. Incorporating variations of planks into your routine keeps your muscles guessing and challenges them in new ways. It's not just about physical strength, it's a mental game. By diversifying your planks, you're teaching your body and mind to adapt and overcome, reinforcing the belief that you are capable of facing and conquering new challenges. Embracing plank variations breathes new life into your routine, challenging different muscle groups and pushing your limits. It's a powerful way to keep your body guessing and your mind engaged. Consistency is your greatest ally in the journey to a stronger core. Planking at the same time every day carves out a moment for self-improvement, transforming it into a non-negotiable habit. Hearing about real-life transformations can ignite a spark within. Individuals who've committed to daily planking often share stories of not just physical but mental gains, inspiring us to stick with our goals. When progress seems to stall, it's not a sign to give up, but to push harder. Introducing new challenges within your planking routine ensures continuous growth and keeps the journey exciting. Making planking a daily habit is an investment in your future self. Beyond the visible results, it's the mental resilience, improved posture, and overall health benefits that become the real, lasting rewards. Tell us what you think by leaving a comment.